Life is incredibly diverse. From tiny bacteria to giant whales, life thrives in every corner. How did this amazing variety come to be? The answer lies in a powerful forced natural selection.
Natural selection is a process of change over time. It's the driving force behind evolution. Think of it as nature's way of selecting the best traits for survival. Just like a sculptor molds clay, natural selection shapes life on Earth.
It's a story billions of years in the making, a story of adaptation, survival, and the incredible power of life to evolve.
Look around at the amazing diversity of life. Millions of species, each uniquely adapted to their environment. Natural selection is the weaver of this grand tapestry. It favors organisms with traits that give them an edge. These advantageous traits increase their chances of survival and reproduction.
Imagine a population of beetles living in a grassy meadow. Some beetles are green, blending seamlessly with the grass. Others are brown, making them easy targets for hungry birds. The green beetles, thanks to their camouflage, are more likely to survive, reproduce, and pass down their green color. Over time, the meadow becomes populated by more and more green beetles. This is natural selection in action.
Survival of the fittest. It's a phrase often misunderstood. Fitness in this context doesn't mean the strongest or fastest. It's about being the best suited to your environment. Think of a chameleon changing its color to blend with its surroundings. That's fitness.
Take, for example, the giraffe's long neck. In a savanna with tall trees, a longer neck means reaching more leaves. Giraffes with longer necks could access more food, giving them a survival advantage. They were more likely to reproduce and pass on this beneficial trait. Over generations, giraffes with longer necks became more common. It's all about adaptation.
How are these beneficial traits passed down through generations? The answer lies in genes.
Genes are like blueprints that carry information from parents to offspring. They determine traits like eye color, height, and even a predisposition to certain behaviors.
Imagine genes as tiny packages of information. When organisms reproduce, they pass on these packages to their offspring. Offspring inherit a mix of genes from both parents.
This inheritance of traits is why children often resemble their parents. It's the passing of the genetic baton, ensuring the continuity of life.
Charles Darwin, a renowned naturalist, observed natural selection in action. He studied finches on the Galapagos Islands.
Each island had finches with different beak shapes, perfectly adapted to the available food sources. This observation was a key piece in his theory of evolution by natural selection.
Another striking example is the peppered moth. In England, before the Industrial Revolution, light-colored moths were common. They blended well with the lichen-covered trees.
As pollution darkened the trees, darker moths had a survival advantage. They were less visible to predators. The population shifted, with dark moths becoming more prevalent.
Evolution is not a finished symphony. It's an ongoing dance. As environments change, so too does life. Natural selection continues to shape the world around us. From the smallest microbes to the largest mammals, life adapts, evolves, and persists.
Understanding natural selection helps us appreciate the interconnectedness of life. It reminds us that we are part of a grand, ever-changing tapestry. As we continue to explore our planet and beyond, the wonders of evolution will continue to inspire and amaze us. The dance of life goes on,